under fractions. More fractions with motions, no, I'm sorry, with regrouping. Regrouping. See if you can make heads or tails out of this. You remember, if we're subtracting like a mixed number from a whole number, like if I said 7 minus 3 and 3/5. First thing I do when I'm subtracting fractions, goes without being said, is what, Wade Davis?
Right up and down.
Ah, thank you. After many, many years, right up and down. So I would write 7 minus 3 and 3/5. Now I can't take this 3/5 away from nothing, so I have to do what? Jacob?
Borrow.
And the 7 becomes a
6.
6, and what fraction do I make over there and why? Jacob?
5/5.
Why 5/5?
80 equals 1.
Right, and it's, you want to use that same bottom number that's there. We've done this before. I'm just kind of reviewing here. Then you do your subtraction and you get 2/5, and 3 from 6 is 3 2/5. That is not earth-shattering or whatever. Well, here is the only difference in what we're talking about for tomorrow. With tomorrow, it's different because they're going to actually have not only the whole number but another fraction over there that doesn't work out nicely. For example, 7 and 1/5 minus 3 and 3/5. Okay, again, I can't take the 3/5 from the 1/5, so I have to borrow, but here is the part that's kind of you have to figure out here. What new fraction, or what do I do with this number so that I can do that problem, Wade?
6/5.
And why is it 6/5?
Because you just add one, like the equal amount, like 5/5 to it.
Okay, what we're doing in essence is the same thing here. I am taking 5/5 away from this 7, but when I add the 5/5 to the 1/5 I already have, I get my 6/5 like Wade said. And then I can do my subtracting, which is 3/5, 3 and 3/5. But rather than thinking about that, there's a simple thing to remember to get that. Does anybody know what it is? How do I know? First of all, as long as my bottom numbers are the same, it's only the top that's going to change. How do I get my new top number when I'm borrowing? Let me give you another example that might help. Let's say I've got 5 and 3/7 minus 2 and 6/7. I have to borrow because this is a smaller fraction. This is a 4. What's the easiest thing to remember? Well, my 7 stays in the bottom. What number is going on top? And please don't say 13 because you're not just putting a 1 over there like normal. What number goes on top? What's an easy way to remember it? It's a simple little thing to do. Tyler?
Wait, I forgot what I was going to say.
Okay. Okay?
The denominator plus the numerator.
Yeah. You add these two together. Add the 3 and the 7, and that is your new top number. Add the denominator and the numerator for new numerator or new top number. Just like here, if I add 5 plus 1, I got the 6. Here I add 7 plus 3, I get the 10. Okay? But the first thing is you have to make, and they do, all of these already, oh yeah, they already have common denominators, so it's a pretty simple process. So here's another, for example, 6 and 1/4 minus 2 and 3/4. 6 and 1/4 minus 2 and 3/4. You write the problem down, it's already got common denominators, so that's good. You borrow from this, it becomes a 5. What number goes above the 4? You just add these two together and you get a 5/4, which doesn't seem to write up there very well. Must be a dead spot right there. I'm just going to keep doing it till it becomes super hard. And 3/4 from 5/4 is?
2/4.
Can I leave 2/4? No. I gotta reduce it down to 1/2. The end of a very interesting and exciting